online lobby not loading. 1. Restart your game and device. Close CarXStreet completely. Restart your PC, mobile console. Launch the game again and retry joining. Sure. 2. Check internet and NAT type. Use a wired connection if possible. Speed test. Ensure stable download and upload. Open NAT type is required for smooth lobby joining. PC, check using command ipconfig all. Xbox PS, go to network settings, check NAT type. Solution, port forward, see below. 3. Port forward required ports. To improve connectivity, forward these ports in your router. UDP TCP 7777 TCP 27015 to 27003 Steam TCP 44380 Common HTTP HTTPS visit 192.168.0.1 or 192.1.1 to access router settings. 4. Disable VPN proxy custom DNS. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily. Use automatic DNS or try Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.4.4. 5. Wait server-side issues. Sometimes CarX servers are down or under maintenance. Visit http://online.com/please open your app to see this link or CarX Twitter/X page. Please open your app to see this link. Try joining again after 10 to 30 mins. 6. Clear game cache or reinstall, platform dependent. On PC, Steam Epic, go to /users username app data localo CarX Technologies CarX Drift Racing Online, delete the cache or temp folders, then relaunch game. On mobile, CarX Drift 2, Android settings, apps, CarX storage, clear cache, not data. iOS uninstall, reinstall the app. Nonner 7, firewall antivirus exception. On PC, make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking CarX. Go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app, and ensure CarX is allowed for public and private networks. 8. Change server region, if possible. If the game allows manual server selection, change to a nearby but less congested region like Asia, Europe, NA East West. 9. Verify game files, PC only. Steam, right-click CarX Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. 10. Try private room or friend invite. If public lobbies don't work, try creating a private lobby, invite friends via Steam or Game Friend system. If all else fails, submit a ticket, CarXonline.com/support/ Please open your app to see this link. Include your platform, internet provider and speed, game version, a screenshot or description of the error.